Collectability in personal injury and wrongful death cases boils down to, once you have liability and damages, the question is there somebody, be it the person who caused the injury or an insurance company, that can pay any award or settlement in your case? Most of these cases are driven by insurance companies. The insurance company will actually pay for the defense of the defendant and will then be liable to a certain amount, the policy limit, for payment of whatever that judgment or final amount is that is deemed to be required to compensate the injured or the estate of the wrongfully deceased person. And there, the very important issue is, for example, unfortunately, the reality is that if somebody's hit by, for example, a commercial vehicle, there may be $1 million policy. That's very common, or even more. However, if you're hit by a passenger vehicle, for example, in some states, the insurance, for example, is a minimum of $10,000 or $20,000, depending on personal injury and actual property damage. And that may be all that can be recovered because the individual who is driving the vehicle may have no assets and be, for example, a unemployed individual. So the collectability is not how much you're awarded. The collectability boils down to who is available to pay for that judgment or those damages or that settlement. And again, these are usually insurance driven. So if you're involved in an accident, for example, with somebody who has no insurance, then it may be difficult to recover any money. And it's important, though, to consult with an attorney because many clients are surprised where we find coverage. For example, the actual injured person may have uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist coverage that would pay a bulk of their damages, even though they're not at fault. For also, people who have a rental vehicle often elect coverages and don't realize that some of these coverages also cover them for their own injuries. So it's important, again, to gather all the information, consult with an attorney, and we encourage you to explore our website, www.urbanthier.com, to learn more and to see if you may be overlooking some areas where there may be collectability or coverage for your damages. Thank you.